Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the SmartArt colors to gradient loop in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook, then we go to the insert menu. Select the SmartArt option, then we can see here many SmartArt. You can add any. Now I am select the continuous picture list and click OK. Now we can see we insert the continuous picture list. You want to change the color gradient loop, select the SmartArt, go to the SmartArt design menu, select the color drop down menu, and we can see here the gradient loop. You can choose this gradient loop, otherwise this black and white or the blue. Now I am select this blue. You can insert the image, click the image icon and insert image from your file. You can add text. Now we can see we change the color of SmartArt gradient loop easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.